Everyone, it is I, Nightmare Polly, and welcome back to Ratchet and Clank. Now today, we are going to try to beat this level, and I heard that there was actually a boss at the end of this level, so today we're actually going to be trying to be beating this. Hope you all are having a great day. I know I am. So we have to really reload everything, because...
Oh, that's a nice one.
Oh, I forgot to press. Oh, I forgot. God dang it! I forgot to press on it. Yes. I heard that there'll be other nightmares like this game, so I'm gonna play it today. First, we have to start over from the beginning, like we always have, which I have no idea why, because I'm Nightmare Polly. I'm like the baddest nightmare animatronic in the world. Well, of course, besides the other nightmares, but I don't have a minion of myself, so that's weird. No nightmare, no mini version. Okay, that was only one hit. Yeah, I know this is actually going to be terrible because I'm a freaking nightmare. I'm the, like, third nightmare animatronic in this house. Well, besides nightmare. Yeah, so I believe all these are going to be open for me, so we don't have to do anything. So I believe there's going to be a big boss fight. I hope I can complete it. Oh, I got hit! I don't want to get hit! I believe the boss fight on this one's going to be a lot harder than the other one. But we'll try it. God dang it! Oh my gosh, I hate them bombs. Like, seriously. I hate them.
I got some.
Now I gotta start all the way back in the beginning. I didn't want to start back in the beginning. Is there like a teleporter up here that I can use? No, I don't see anything. Now I gotta start this over again, which is kind of dumb. I don't want to be sitting here for hours trying to complete this level. I just don't like it. I'm the most baddest nightmare character in this whole nightmare house that comes up with really good plans. Of course, my boyfriend Nightmare. Yes, I'm this original Polly, but nightmare mode. Surprised that no one catched on to that yet. I kind of like being a nightmare character. It's just good and it gives off some stress that we need. Oh my gosh. Okay, that one's always pretty easy. It's those freaking ones on the other side that I can't even get. Like, how are you even supposed to do this? Because, like, ha ha ha, I don't care. I just want to get this done. I'm supposed to be doing other things instead of doing this garbage. I'm just gonna throw bombs at them. Yes, go! Blast them all! Ah, nice try, you didn't get me. Oh yeah, just like I thought. I knew that was going to be open. Actually, I don't have to go by that, so... Oh yeah, I forgot the breaking platforms. Oh, here's the tough part. But this door's already going to be opened anyway, so I don't even care. Unlike me in original form, I don't have a guitar to play. I just kind of go down the left hallway and try to scare the kids in the middle of the night. Because we're supposed to do that. We're nightmare animatronics. We're supposed to scare kids, the crap out of kids. Luckily, this is already open for me, so... I gotta thank Burner Wolf for the save slot. These bombs again, I hate them. Yeah, go away. Okay, use bombs. Actually, no, let's use the flamethrower. Yeah, when you don't want to do this level, like you're supposed to, you try to destroy as much stuff and try to blow up as much crap as possible so you can actually beat the whole freaking level. Believe me. Yeah, here's the part where we have to use that super soaker thing. And then I have to go back up. Actually, we can just go this way. Yeah, ha! That's for eating me! That's for eating all the past animatronics that play this game in the level. Okay, I mean, I can go this way. Actually, let's kill these things first. Yeah, take that. That's for eating me. That's for eating every other animatronic that's ever played this game. Stupid Captain Port probably put these here. Yes, I called him Captain Port because I don't care about this game. Yeah, I come from the left hallway. Nightmare Haley always comes from the left. Nightmare Bruno Wolf's always on the freaking bed all the time. And I don't mean that in like a strange other freaking way. You guys are fake. Don't fake dirty about that. Oh yeah, here we go. I'm just gonna drain these. Smash these boxes. I think I actually might beat this. Oh, we gotta go down here first. Oh, I have to. Oh, yeah, I know what I need to do. I need to get back and suck up all this water. Now we just walk around in all this mess. And I believe we made it to the boss fight.
Well, you two continue to surprise me. Step into the ring of heroes, and I will finally give you what you deserve.
Ratchet, this is no time for you to become cautious. We have reached our goal.
I don't know. There's something fishy going on here.
Listen to your little metal friend, Ratchet. Your destiny is mere steps away.
It's just something doesn't seem right.
This is it. Quark is going to help us stop Cheb and Drek.
Why, thank you, Clank. You've been most helpful.
Get off of me, you idiot!
I love it when a plan comes together.
What do you mean?
What do you think he means, genius? He's not gonna help us. He's gonna kill us.
You catch on quick. Although there is one problem with your hypothesis. I'm not going to kill you.
You're not?
No. He is.
But why?
But why? It's really not that difficult to decipher. I'm the official spokesman for Drek's new planet. I can't have you two getting in the way of my comeback.
This isn't over, Quark.
No. But it will be soon.
Okay, I think I'm done. Oh yeah, I'm done. Okay guys, please give this video a thumbs if you liked it. Please subscribe if you want to see some more Ratchet and Clank. Let us know down in the comments below if you want Nightmare Marty to do the next Let's Play, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye everybody.